In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload PDF on Whop. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to confirm your file is safely uploaded, even if this is your first time using Whop. First, sign into your Whop account and head to your dashboard. This is your home base inside Whop, where you manage everything. If you're not already there after logging in, look for the dashboard option in the main navigation. A quick tip: use a modern browser and a stable internet connection so uploads don't stall midway. Next, open the App Store inside Whop. This is where you add tools to your workspace. In the App Store, search for the Files app. When you see it, add it to your Whop. You might be asked to confirm or grant access. Go ahead and accept so it installs correctly. If you don't see the Files app right away, use the search bar or scroll through the list. Names and placement can vary slightly depending on updates. Once the Files app has been added, open it in admin mode, sometimes labeled Configure Files. This is important because admin mode gives you the permission you need to upload files. If you open the app and only see a read-only or public view, switch to admin or settings. You should see options like managing or adding files once you're in the correct mode. Now you're ready to upload. Click the Add File button or whichever upload button is visible in your version of the app. A file picker from your computer will open. Navigate to the PDF you want to upload, select it, and confirm. Make sure it's a true PDF file with the .pdf extension. If your file name is long or has unusual characters, consider simplifying it before uploading to keep things clean and searchable. You'll typically see a progress indicator. Let the upload finish. Don't close the tab until you get a confirmation or see the file appear in the list. Larger PDFs may take a little longer. That's normal. If the upload doesn't start, double-check your connection or try again after refreshing the page. When the upload is complete, your PDF should appear in the Files app list. You can click it to preview, verify the correct file was uploaded, and confirm the name looks right. That's it. To recap briefly, log in and go to your dashboard, open the App Store to add the Files app, switch the Files app into admin or Configure Files mode, and then upload your PDF using the Add File button. Follow these steps, and your document will be safely stored in Whop and ready whenever you need it.